Making pizza at home is a delightful endeavor, especially when using simple ingredients. Start with the foundation, the dough. Combine flour, water, yeast, and a pinch of salt to create a pliable, smooth mixture. Knead it until it becomes elastic, letting it rest until it doubles in size, which transforms it into a fluffy base ready for toppings. Once your dough has risen, it's time to shape it. Gently punch it down and roll it out on a floured surface. Aim for a round shape, though imperfections can add charm to your homemade creation. Picture the aroma wafting up as you stretch and mold the dough with your hands, transforming it into a pizza canvas. Now, it's time for the sauce. You can create a simple tomato sauce using canned tomatoes, a dash of olive oil, and some dried herbs like oregano and basil. Blend these ingredients to achieve a smooth consistency. Spread the sauce evenly over your dough, envisioning the vibrant red coating as it glistens under the kitchen light. Next comes the cheese, the crowning layer of any pizza. Grate some mozzarella and sprinkle it generously over the sauce. As you layer the cheese, imagine its creamy, melting goodness that will create delightful strings when the pizza is baked. Don't hesitate to add extra flavors with other cheese varieties or herbs to heighten the taste. Once your base is adorned with sauce and cheese, let your creativity shine through with toppings. Simple options like sliced bell peppers, mushrooms, or olives can create visually appealing contrasts. Picture the vivid colors layering atop the cheese, adding not only flavor but also an enticing aesthetic to your feast. Preheat your oven to its highest setting, ideally around 475 degrees, 245 degrees. Place your pizza on a baking tray or pizza stone and slide it into the hot oven. As it bakes, a delightful aroma fills the kitchen, making it hard to resist the anticipation of a crispy crust and bubbly cheese. After about 15 minutes, check for that golden brown crust and bubbly toppings. Allow the pizza to cool slightly before slicing it into wedges, revealing the molten cheese and vibrant toppings beneath. Each slice promises a satisfying crunch, fresh flavors, and the joy of having made it all from the simplest ingredients. Enjoy this labor of love with family and friends, savoring the joy of homemade pizza.